Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn about basics of diode. So let's start. So what is diode? A diode is a two-terminal device which allows the current to flow only in one direction. So it means diode allows the current to flow only in single direction, only from P to N, in this direction only. Symbol of diode is this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, this is also called anode, this is cathode, and current will flow only from P to N, only in single direction. What is ideal diode IV characteristics? This is the ideal diode. So when V is less than 0, that is cathode voltage is greater than anode, then I is 0. So this diode replaced by open circuit. This is open circuit. And when I is greater than 0, means this voltage is greater than this voltage. I flowing through the diode is greater than 0, means this ideal diode replaced by short circuit. So this is short circuit. So I greater than 0, it means V is equal to 0, and this is the IV characteristics of diode. So in the forward bias region, I is greater than 0, this is I, so V is equal to 0. And when I is less than 0 in the reverse bias, that is V less than 0, then I is equal to 0 in reverse bias, opposite of that of forward bias. So how to find the diode, whether it is operating in forward bias or reverse bias? It is very simple. So you have to go step by step. So the first step is assume the current flows from positive to negative of diode. From positive terminal to negative terminal. We are assuming it. Replace the diode by short circuit. Replace the diode with short circuit, second step. Calculate I. If I is greater than 0, then forward bias, else reverse bias. We will learn this by some example. So first numerical. This is the question. We need to find whether this diode is forward bias or reverse bias. So assume the current is flowing from positive to negative. So we are assuming current is flowing in this direction. And replace that diode by short circuit. So in the second step, we replaced this by short circuit. And calculate I. So I is equal to 5 minus 3 by 2 kilo ohm is equal to 1 milliampere. So this is greater than 0. It means diode is forward bias. Now the second question. This is the problem. Same approach we will follow here also. Replace this by short circuit. So this becomes simple circuit. 6 minus 3 by 2. They also become 1 milliampere. So it is also forward bias. Third question. Same approach in all the questions. If question is there to find whether the diode is forward or reverse bias, same approach. Replace this by short circuit. So this will become simple circuit. 3 minus 5 divided by all the resistance. 3 minus 5 divided by, so this is minus negative. So I is less than 0. So it is reverse bias. Whenever I is less than 0, reverse bias. Whenever I is greater than 0, the diode is in forward bias. Note, these all numericals that I solved, I have assumed it is all diode are in ideal mode. But for practical diode, replace this, if it is silicon diode, replace this by 0.7 volt, because cutoff across the silicon diode is 0.7 volt, and if it is germanium diode, replace this diode by 0.3 volt. Don't replace by closed circuit, short circuit. Thanks for watching this video. We will study next topic in the next video. Thank you.